I'm feeling a bit hungry. Sounds like you're hungry. Meow.
Hello there, Nia.
I said you, Jason! I can't believe it! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Baby, you're not okay? But how? Why not,
Let's sound the leap alert. Leapfrog to the lookout. Leapfrog, Eva has discovered that floor of lava.